Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription unboxing. And there are a ton of things in here. It is jam-packed and nicely wrapped, so I'm going to go ahead and grab all those. Also inside is a return label on the other side. I'm not going to show that because of my address. But if anything doesn't fit or you don't like it, don't want it, you just put it back inside the bag, put the return label on it, and just stick it out in the mail or drop it off to be sent back. And you also get a little itemized list of all the prices. So let's start with this bundle because it seems like it's a little smaller than the other ones. So, first thing is a top, and I'll show up close what it looks like, and then I insert pictures at the end so that you know. But there's the brand, KAII, I guess. That's cute, but I already know it wouldn't look good on me, and it looks really short, but it's a cute style of top. But again, I'll insert pictures. Next up, very cute, very flowy. So it has some real thin straps, and it's just a really nice patterned top. All sorts of feathers on it. Oh, I like that. It's kind of a Native American vibe to it. Very cool. And I think that would fit well as well. And then pretty sure this is supposed to be a dress, but it looks like it would be very short, but definitely up my alley. I like a lot of black and white kind of plain stuff. So it has a little bit of a wide shoulder, and then it goes all the way down. Very cute. Probably also pair that with leggings in case it's too short. And our jewelry is wrapped in this one. So let's take a look at this shirt. Oh, this is cute. If you watch my other videos of my unboxings, Hippie Chick. Every time I see them, I won't even know it's the brand. I'm like, oh, that shirt's cute. And then I look and it's Hippie Chick. I like their style. So this one, plain shirt, like the color, but it has some detailing in the sleeves. So it just gives an extra little something to your t-shirt. Very cute. That's my favorite so far. Let's set the jewelry aside. Next, whoops. This is pretty cute as well. It's a dress. Could even probably wear something under it in case that's low cut. But it's red, polka dots, has a little bunching on the side, which is good for hiding curves. Very cute. The last clothing in that bundle, these are some leggings. They have an interesting texture to them, or look to them. Super stretchy, real soft. That's what those look like. And let's look at the jewelry. Pretty much every time I get earrings and a necklace and a bracelet. So first up, we have these earrings. Nice big dangly ones. These are the bracelets I like. Stretchy. You can layer them. Those are pretty nice as well. And then let's take a look at the necklace. Sometimes they end up getting a little twisted and bunched up. This one's not too bad, and that's a layered look. Has a little cool pink stone, almost looks like a slice of pizza. But that would look really neat on. And then the last bundle here has a couple more clothing items. This is just a nice oversized shirt that says Paris on it. I don't think I've ever gotten anything that had writing or words on it, so that's kind of a nice change. And it has a little high-low scoop on it. So good to wear with leggings. In case they're a little thin, they cover your bottom. And this is a really cool skirt. Nice black and white pattern. And then it also kind of scoops to the side. Again, I'll insert a picture so you know what I'm talking about, but it's kind of cut at an angle. And, ooh, these are fun. Last item, some jeggings. Some golden olive jeggings. I'm not sure if they're showing up a green color, but through my viewfinder they look a little yellow, but they aren't, they're green. So those are real soft, stretchy material that's tapered. Very cool. So I'll go ahead and insert those pictures if you want to see past clothing that I've gotten. I have a playlist, and I also have a promo code if you want free shipping. So I'll put all that information in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.